Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious lobster garlic butter. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of cooked lobster meat, half a cup of unsalted butter, and 4 cloves of fresh garlic. Don't forget a tablespoon of fresh parsley, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped. Start by finely mincing your 4 cloves of fresh garlic. The smaller the pieces, the more evenly the garlic flavor will spread throughout the butter. Next, take your cooked lobster meat and chop it into small, manageable pieces. Finally, give your fresh parsley a rough chop. These steps are crucial for a perfect blend of flavors. It's time to bring everything together. In a small saucepan, melt half a cup of unsalted butter over low heat. Once melted, add your finely minced garlic and sauté it gently for about 1 minute until fragrant, being careful not to brown it. Then, stir in your chopped lobster meat, fresh parsley, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and your salt and pepper. This low heat ensures the flavors meld beautifully without overcooking the lobster. Continue to gently heat the mixture for another 2 to 3 minutes, just enough for all those wonderful flavors to fully combine and warm through. Once it's ready, serve your delicious lobster garlic butter immediately. It's fantastic with pasta, steak, or crusty bread. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy this luxurious treat you've just created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.